Task number 3, Windows Event Logs Analysis, is part of the Logs Fundamentals room, which is part of the Cybersecurity 101 learning path. Like other operating systems, Windows operating system also logs many of their activities that take place. These are stored in segregated log files, each with a specific log category. Some of the crucial types of logs stored in Windows OS are application system security. We read already about these. There are many applications running on the operating system, and information related to those applications is logged into this file. This information includes error, warnings, capability issues, etc. System, the operating system itself, has different running operations. Many information related to this operation is logged in the system log file. This information includes driver issues, hardware issues, system startup and shutdown information, services information, and so on. And for the security one, we have the authentication, authorization, changes in user account, user policies, and so on. We read already in task number 2. You can go check out this video. Besides these, several other logs files in the Windows operating system are designed for logging activities related to specific actions and applications. Unlike other log files studied in the previous tasks, which had no built-in application to view them, Windows OS has a utility known as Event Viewer, which gives a nice graphical user interface to view the search and search for anything in these logs. To open Event Viewer, click on the Start button. Okay. Right. This is the interface of the Event Viewer. Here you can see the You can click Windows Logs from the highlighted section to see the different types of logs we discussed in the beginning of this task. The first highlighted portion shows the different log files. When we click one of these log files, we will see the different logs. As can be seen in the second highlighted portion, lastly, in the third portion, we have different options for analyzing the logs. Yes, so we have Windows logs, and then here we have the categories, then selecting security, for instance, in the middle panel, started to show us the events. We have 22,000, almost 33,000. And also the action appeared on the right part. Going further, selecting one event from the security category will bring us more information. This is how Windows event log looks. It has different fields. The major fields are discussed below: description, log name, logged, and then event ID. Unique identifiers for a specific activity is the event ID. Logged, the field indicates the time of the activity. Here we can see them, right? Event ID, source, log name, level, user, logged. For instance, the one that we see here, log name. The name indicated the log file name, and the description, which we have over here. The field has a different information of the activity. Numerous event IDs are available in Windows event logs. We can use these event IDs to search for any specific activity. For example, event ID 4624 uniquely identifies the activity of a successful login. So you only need to search for this ID when investigating successful logins. Here is a table of some important event IDs. All right. Here we see a bunch of numbers, unique IDs, identifiers, maybe that's the correct word, a unique identifier. And here what we want on the right side, what we want to search by, again, filtering by unique ID, we just go straight to the point. There are many more event IDs. It is not necessary to remember all of them, but it is good to remember the crucial event IDs. Event Viewer also allows us to search for the logs related to a specific event ID with a filter current log feature. We will use this. We can click on the current to apply the filter. Right, so by going to the right, we are inside security. We want to filter current logs because we have almost 33,000. We go to filter current logs. We'll pop up this screen and we just find by successful login ID. Bam. Filtering will leave us with, I guess, 22,009. All of them are for successful login. Let me see. 264626. Let me see. 4624. Yes. Everything, all of them, all 23,000 are successful login events. And now we have the exercise. Let's open up the split view. Event view. Let's see. All right. Windows logs security. Now we have 1,168 events. It will show in a second. And here we have the action. Well, actually the actions. We can take multiple actions on these events. Now, answer the questions below. What is the name of the last user account created on the system? We have successful account login, failed, user account successfully logged off, a user was created, 4720. There you have it. All of them are appearing there. Now we go to find current log and in here we introduce 4720. We have 3 of them. Let's expand a bit. And they need last user created on the system, which is this one. Double click on it and we have information. Let's see, what do we need? The name, new account name, hacked. Which user account created the above account? We just saw that. Subject, administrator. What date was this user account enabled? This is creation. Wait a second. Account was enabled. We need to find another ID. We can actually go for XML search and in here edit query manually. And in here, I will paste this, copy this, and we'll place an and there. And let's go. And by using that query, we have both of them, creation and enable of the account. Let's go back down here. What date was this? All right, so the creation, the last one was this one, and we immediately have the enable date and time from month 6/7/2024. Did this account undergo a password reset as well? Made a reset an account password. Let's search. Let's go find current log, XML. We go over here, edit. Okay, paste this here. I see that we don't have to use the AND operator. It will just work like this. Copy this, change the event ID. Okay. Again, we go to the last one. Let me see. No, we just have to find for this user if he underwent password reset. These are 4 events. An attempt was made to reset the user's account, and from administrator, actually, let me double click. So from administrator, no, this is not the one. This one. This one should be, yes. Target hacked from administrator. An attempt was made to reset the account. So the answer is yes. Also, we can definitely see the like the underlines, right? Yes or no? Well, 3 letters, 2 letters, obviously. Yes. Cool.